Welcome to another exciting journey of active learning with Atlhas Tutor. Today, we are unlocking the power of effective study habits right from the comfort of your home page. Ready? Let's log in. Once you are in, you'll land on your personal dashboard. Notice how your Q&A table is waiting for your insights, while the library table proudly displays our previously uploaded book from our first demo. It's time to dive into JavaScript, the definitive guide. Just click the title and you are there. Did the book open faster? Yes, because it's cached locally for quick access, though unused books will eventually leave the cache to save space. Now, let's get to the heart of active learning. Remember tutorial 1.2, 6-bad studying habits? We learned that passive reading through highlighting or underlining isn't enough. Active learning means engaging with the material, and here is how you can do it. Take notes, but not just any notes, questions that your content answers. Let's apply this to Chapter 8 on JavaScript functions. Set a timer for 30 minutes and start reading. For this demo, we'll stop at the second paragraph, focusing only on key concepts. They are three, in my opinion: definition of a JavaScript function, characteristics of a JavaScript function definition, associated characteristics of a JavaScript function invocation. For each concept, we'll create a note in Atlhas Tutor. There are two types of notes, simple and highlighted. Let's begin with a simple note for the first concept. Just click in the Comments column next to your content and a pop-up appears. Fill in the keyword field with a term like function definition. Skip the step box for now and then move to your question. Here, you might ask, what is the definition of a function in JavaScript? Remember, keyword and your question are the only two compulsory fields in this pop-up. Move to step 2 to input your answer. Here is an example. A function in JavaScript is a block of code defined once, but executable multiple times. You will have noticed that in the Step 2 tab, it's only the lower part of the pop-up that changes. Before saving, ensure the answer aligns with your question, going back to Step 1. It seems okay. Let's go back to Step 2 and save. Once saved, your notes keyword appears on the page. Next, let's create a highlighted note for our second concept. Simply highlight the text that's relevant, selecting it with your mouse. The keyword may be parameters, and your question something like, what does represent, in most cases, a key component in a function definition? Click Step 2 now, and here is the neat part. How you can see, in highlighted notes, your answer is automatically filled in with the selected text. This saves you typing time. But don't just leave it at that. Engage actively with the content by editing and synthesizing it to make it as concise and clear as possible. Remember, the goal is to understand and internalize the material, not just to record it. Your answer might be something like, the so-called identifiers or parameters passed in the function definition and working as local variables in the function's body. Voila! Now we have crafted a set of notes, each symbolized by the keyword you have chosen. These notes are more than just annotations, they are your allies in learning. To strengthen your recall, briefly review the keywords taken in the last study session before and after each break, reflecting on their meanings and the concepts they represent. In the next demos, we'll see also other applications of our notes. So this is how Atlhas Tutor transforms your study sessions. It's more than a tool, it's your pathway to mastering any subject, be it programming, history, or literature. Stay tuned for more tutorials and demos. Embrace the art of learning with Atlhas Tutor. Until next time, happy studying!